Good evening, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Sunday, May the 3rd, 2026. I was in my bedroom at the computer looking up some comments on YouTube Studio, and I saw that Jordan had requested to see some lighting around the property as I give a tour. And the lighting around here is really good, actually. There's more lighting. I think there's more lighting around here than there was at the old location. It's a good thing that I saw his comment, because we had this thing put up the day before yesterday. So this is our yard light. I don't know if I revealed this in recent videos, but there was a sodium light here, and the thing didn't work. And so we were requested to have a fixture installed, and so the county put one up. I was a little disappointed that it was an LED, because I am not an LED guy. I've come to notice that all of the sodium light fixtures are pretty much being taken down and replaced with these things. And from all other different parts of the country, from what I have seen. But this is our yard light here, and it's lighting up the place from what you can see. Before I go around the property, maybe I can get all of this. There's some of the lighting down there throughout the neighborhood. This road here, this is my neighborhood, and there's a lot of lighting down there, a lot of light fixtures and sodium lights. Actually, there is a, maybe I can get to it. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a sodium light there in the background in the house next to the one from this one. So that's the light on the front porch. This is the light from the side of the house that comes from the garage. This is motion sensor too, by the way. It's pretty bright. I try not to walk over here too much at night because of the neighbors. Okay, so there's the lighting off of the back of the house. I don't know if that's a sodium or not. It certainly looks like it. But this one lights up the backyard really nice. And I absolutely love the way that looks. There's my shop there. Okay, so there is the light to my building. Don't know what bulb that is. There's a look at the back of the house. Okay, so this is the lighting here in the building. It's just a fluorescent light. This is the only one that I have in here. I'm trying to think of something on how to improve the lighting a little bit better in here. All I have as of right now is this thing. I'll go ahead and I'll turn it on. It works okay for the most part, but I want to find something that's a little more efficient. That'll sort of make it easier to work in here. I would like to have something that goes right across like this. Here's a look at the workshop too, by the way. There's the workbench. Has some of my stuff stored under there. And I'm still working on getting a pegboard to put up in here. I'm going to be getting that done before long. This is all of my fans on display. Jordan really likes these old home art window fans. He has one exactly like mine, and I'm very fond of them too. I'm gonna be getting to this one hopefully very soon, and I'll be putting that to use in here. Here's some of my other fans. There's the Lasco box fan trilogy, Galaxy window fan, and yes, I managed to get the other Lasco premium from the same store where I got this one last year. Holmes window fan. There is a Liquid X 2022 that I also plan on making a project of before long. Lasco window fan. So these are all Lascos except for that one. That one and the window fan. There's my little comfort zone table fan there in the back. Some other fans. One here in the box. I'm gonna be repainting very soon. I'll be getting a video of that. Toro leaf blower, and this is electric. Here's my good old Wizard box fan on a stand. I've been using this out of my shop. I'm hoping that it's still been pretty cool around here, and when it starts to warm up a little more, I'm going to be putting the home art in here when I get it fixed up. So, some yard tools. There's my radio. I like to hang out here and listen to my radio when I'm working on something or when I'm just having my time of relaxation. Push mower. There's some other equipment. Oh, turn that off. There's the lighting here in the garage. Another fluorescent light. This is the laundry room too, by the way. Both of these are Whirlpool washer and dryer. These came with the house. These are brand new. Both of them work really well. Get a load of those. There's a hot water heater. And there is a pump tank. You can see the yard light, the light fixture from outside the window. Pretty cool. I have very, very fond memories of me seeing pole lights from a bedroom window as a kid. Well, Jordan, there you go, buddy. I hope that you have enjoyed the video of the lighting around my yard and around my garage here and my studio. I'm working on getting more videos put up, hopefully very soon if I'm not busy. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment and a like. And thank you all for watching. You all enjoy your week, and I will see you later.